Now, today's topic is stem cell therapy for hair regeneration in Dubai. We now have a first-rate regenerative clinic in Dubai that adheres to all the quality and safety standards that we're known for globally. As the world's largest provider of regenerative therapies, with over 27,000 stem cell procedures done in the past decade, we've done many hair regeneration procedures with an extremely high success rate. Here's what we see for both men and women. I'm not going to get into the very specific, androgenetic, alopecia types of diagnoses. Now, whether it's male or female, hair loss is a common problem. We'll talk about women first. Women, typically aren't the ones to seek out like a hair transplant, although, there's no shade, it does happen. But oftentimes, it's a progressive loss of hair, either from an autoimmune issue, perimenopausal. It could be from post-COVID. There's a lot of different reasons that, slow progressive hair loss can occur in females. And we get fantastic results with the Regenerative Trifecta that we offer for men and women who are suffering from hair fall. What does that mean? Well, we have a proprietary cocktail combination of biologics that is trademarked for us as the Regenerative Trifecta. It consists of mesenchymal stem cells, stem cell exosomes, and PRP. Unbelievably effective at helping produce more hair growth and also increase the density of the hair that you have. It's an outpatient procedure. It's something that we start with just one application. It's not a one and done. Sometimes we do need to do a repeat procedure at 6 or 12 months, but it's not like you have to have multiple like you would with just PRP therapy, all right, over a period of a few months. Now, when it comes to men sustain hair fall for a lot more types of reasons, but often it's male pattern hair loss. People who come to us either want to avoid a hair transplant, but they want to get the same types of results. We do that all the time. Women, same thing. We do a numbing procedure, so it's very well tolerated. And then the procedure only takes about an hour, okay? So we'll do the numbing and then do the injections, and it takes a few months for the hair to come in, okay? Now, here's another situation we hear very frequently. An individual goes to get a hair transplant and it works well. However, the natural hair that you have still continues to get lost. So at the end of the day, so to speak, your hair might not look very thick because the natural hair, not the transplanted hair, it just continues to get lost. So if you've had a hair transplant, stem cell therapy for hair regeneration is a wonderful opportunity to maintain that thickness that you want, right? The density of your hair. Visit our website today at r3stemcell.com. Scroll down the page. You'll see a free consumer guide I wrote on stem cell therapy for hair regeneration. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.